So behind me is the Rogers, and this is gonna be Jamaica's next tallest building. But stay tuned. Alright, so before you guys attack me, let's jump into some introduction. So no, you know it's Rush, right? And you know it's the Discovery Boss. Always showing you guys the new developments in Jamaica, anything new, anything in terms of construction, road, apartment, house, commercial, residential, you know I got you guys. So welcome back to the channel, right? If you haven't subscribed, it's free, it doesn't cost anything, so you know, give me a strength. Subscribe to the channel and support Brand Jamaica. Remember to like the video and remember to definitely leave a comment as well. So yes, for a short period of time, the Rogers, this apartment complex with some commercial and entertainment spaces, will be 20 floors, and it will be the tallest building for a while before the Accent, which is going to be on Oxford Road in New Kingston, takes over. So the current tallest building in Jamaica is the Pegasus, and the Pegasus stands at 17th floor. So right now the Pegasus is still the tallest building. When this one reaches 18th floor, it's gonna be the tallest building. The Accent hasn't yet started, so it could be even possible where this one reaches 20 floors, probably even finish before the Accent start, or before the Accent passes this one out. So I know people are gonna come and say, no Rush, this is not the tallest building, but yeah, based on the technicalities at some point, other than something drastic happening, them just stop construction right here. So you know, at one point this building is gonna be the tallest building in Jamaica. So what we're doing here today is just showing you guys a quick update in terms of the progress of construction, so you guys can see how far them reach, you can see where they're coming from, you know, the whole works. I think they're about 14 floors by now. So you can see it clearly from half a tree. What I'm going to try and do, obviously it's a drone video, so I'm going to try to put the drone right above it so you guys can have an idea what the 14th floor view is like. So if you can see what the 14th floor view is like, then I can imagine what the 20th floor view will be like. So we'll do that as well, because we will send up the drone, you guys know that. They had a billboard here, I think, which showed how the finished building would have looked, but it's gone, they moved it. But I'll put the link for previous videos so you guys can see that. JMMB is financing this project like so many other massive projects as well. So we're on Waterloo Avenue, right here in Kingston, Golden Triangle. Very central, very close to Half a Tree, like 2 minutes from Half a Tree. That's where we're at. And this area is rapidly changing with a lot of, you know, a lot of high-rise apartments. We have 20 South behind it, we have Parkhurst one behind it, we have the Genesis behind it. So even some of these older townhouse or older apartments, I'm sure in a short while somebody's gonna buy them and renovate them, because this one even right here is pretty old. You can see it still look occupied, but I know that some development is coming very soon for it. You know, somebody's just gonna buy this lot and build a next multi-level apartment. So not a long video, guys, it's just a quick update showing you guys what's going on this project. You know, we always show from start, during construction, and then, you know, when it's finished. So it's just a quick update for you guys in terms of the Rogers. I think it's called the Rogers because of the, what was it? I think it's the name of the developer, I think. Something along that line. But if you guys know, let me know in the comments. I think even this property over here is selling as well. If it's not this one, it's the one beside it. So they're selling. More than likely it's gonna be another apartment. So again guys, leave your comments. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share the video so other persons can see the development that's happening in the area. And we're gonna send up the drone shortly so you guys can get some aerial shots as well. So stay tuned for that.